everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. आज जो हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो हम क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग की क्लास डिस्कस करने वाले हैं, जो कि आज आपका जो क्लास है वो आपका 84 है। ऑलरेडी इससे पहले हमने 83 क्लासेस कर चुके हैं, तो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू कर लो सारे क्लासेस को जो अभी हम तक हम कर पा चुके हैं। एंड लास्ट क्लास में जो हमने डिस्कस किया था वो डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एज सर्विसेज डिस्कस किया था, तो प्लीज़ उसको भी गो थ्रू कर लो एंड all the factor which we had done in all these classes, so you can go through all that classes. And it's a request, if you're not subscribed our channel till the date, so please do subscribe our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update, and share our videos, and so that many people can get the videos by you. So starting with the first heading that we have to discuss in this class is your vendors providing infrastructure as a services cloud computing platform, where we are discussing Amazon Web Services, Reliance Communication, SIFI Technologies, Tata Communication, and as well as platform as a services that we are discussing in a small way, you can say that. So starting with that point, the Amazon Web Services, that is your vendors providing infrastructure as a services cloud computing platform. Here we start with the first point, that is Amazon Web Services. Its solutions are elastic compute cloud, that it's इसका जो solution होता है elastic compute cloud होता है, इसीलिए हम EC2 कहते हैं, E and C2 for the computer in the cloud. Map, reduce, root, S3 and virtual private cloud, etc. The cloud computing platform pioneers Amazon's offers auto scaling, cloud monitoring, and the load balancing feature as a part of its portfolio. So these all comes under your Amazon Web Services. After that we have a Reliance Communication, that is solution is Reliance Internet Data Center. So इसका जो solution होता है वो Reliance Internet Data Center होता है, जिसे हम RIDC कहते हैं, RIDS जिसे कहते हैं. So RIDS supports both a traditional hosting and cloud services with data centers in the Mumbai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, and Chennai. The cloud services offered by RIDS include infrastructure as services and software as a services. So they give both the services for the infrastructure as well as the software as a services. The next point that we have is your SIFI Technologies, that is your solution is SIFI IaaS, that is infrastructure as services. SIFI cloud computing platform is powered by HP's coverage infrastructure. The vendors offers all three types of cloud services. यहाँ पे जो SIFI Technologies है वो तीनों ही टाइप के आपको services provide करता है, that is your infrastructure as services, platform as a services, and software as a services. So they provide in all the cases, they provide the three of the services which they are providing. After that we have a next point, that we have a Tata Communication, that is your its solution is in is the Insta Compute. They are the solution of the Insta Compute for the Tata Communication. The Insta Compute is a Tata Communication infrastructure as services offering. Insta Compute data centers are located in Hyderabad and Singapore with operations in both countries. So the Tata Communication is operating from both countries, that is your that Singapore and Hyderabad. So they are locating from there and they are handling all that data from there and performance by their sites only. And that platform as a services, that is your PaaS, that is we are calling it platform as services. So platform as services is a category of cloud computing services. Platform as services जो है वो एक तरह का आपका category है cloud computing services का. So we'll discuss about platform as services in the next class. So please go through with the, all that classes that we had discussed till the date. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and give a suggestion on a comment box. Do share our videos, subscribe our channel, so that we will be uploading any of the videos, you can get that directly. And we are uploading the reasoning class also, so you can go through with that also, so that you can attempt your competition paper as well as the gate paper. So we are solving all the questions there also. Go through with all that, and best of luck. Thank you.